Here we are doing skill set 6, that is PostgreSQL. Now what is PostgreSQL? It is a software that is used to create a database. Now we will create a database. There are various software to create a database, but in your syllabus PostgreSQL is there. So now in SOP1 we will create a database using PostgreSQL name hospital. Now in this database we need to create a table. Now the step is such: first we need to create a database. Now inside database what we need to create? Table. Now inside table what is the next step? We need to create a field. Now what are the following fields we need to create? That I will teach to you. We need to create a field of patient underscore ID, patient underscore name, address, room underscore number, and doctor underscore name. Now we have to give appropriate data type for each field. Now what are the data types? That we will show you in the form of practical. Let's say patient underscore ID will be the number, so it will be integer. So patient underscore ID will be the name, the data type will be the text. So now we'll see all the step by step. The first step, we need to open the software. Open command terminal, switch to over the PostgreSQL account on your server by typing this. You can now access a Postgre prompt immediately by typing this. Then you need to create a database. Click on start. Go to programs. Go to Postgre. Now press enter, enter. Password is Abbas. Now we will create a database. So to create a database, type create database hospital. CREAT, create database hospital, semicolon, enter. Now create database. The database already been created. Here it has been written create database. Now after creating a database, what is the next step? Connect to database using /c. So what I will do, I will write /c hospital. So my database will get connected. Here I need to type /c, database name is hospital. Press enter. So now you are connected to database as user Postgre hospital. Now afterward, what is the next step? Create a table in database. Create table command is used. So you need to use this command, create table table. The table name is what? The table name is patient. You can see in the question the table name patient has been given. Patient underscore ID we need to create. It is integer, it is number. Patient underscore name we need to create. It is text. Address is text. Room underscore number is integer. Doctor underscore name is text. So we'll just type it here. Here you need to type create table patients bracket open patients underscore ID is integer, comma, patient underscore name is text, comma, address is text, comma, room underscore number is integer, comma, doctor underscore name is text. bracket close, semicolon. So patient underscore ID integer, comma, patient underscore name text, comma, address is text, comma, room underscore number is integer, comma, doctor underscore name is text, semicolon, enter. So now the table is been created. Now after table, let's see the result of a patient table. So what we need to type, okay, we need to type select star from patients, SELECT, select star from patients, semicolon, enter. So now here what happens, okay, here we can see the result of the patient table. What was there mentioned in the question, okay, in the question the box was there, same to same, okay, we have created over here. Then afterwards we need to show the complete table. Okay, so to see the complete table, what we have done, okay, we have to type slash the patients, slash the table name is PATIENTS, patients, semicolon, enter. So you can see the complete table patient, okay, in the form. So we have completed, okay, all the steps in the experiment. We have done, okay, starting from creating a database. After creating a database, here we have done, we had created the table. Then in the table, okay, we had completed all the fields. So I am just highlighting it, what we have done it in green color. Then we have, okay, made this table also. Then we had opened the command terminal. Then we had, okay, access the Postgres software. Then we had created a database. Inside we had created a table. Inside the table we had created a field, and we had opened the table also in this experiment. So here is the output of the experiment. I hope you have understood. It is basically totally command based, and it's very easy. You just need to remember the command. Thank you.